All right, today we're unboxing the MSI Gaming Trio GeForce RTX 5080. That was a little bit of a mouthful. The car sits right in the high end of NVIDIA's current lineup, and MSI's Gaming Trio has always been known for strong cooling and solid build quality. In this video, we're going to do a first look of the packaging, do an unboxing, everything included. It's in the box and the card itself. No benchmarks in this one just yet, just a clean unboxing and first impressions so you can see exactly what you're getting if you're considering this GPU. I'm Andy, welcome to the Nerd Herd. If this is your first time here, welcome friends. I discuss nerdy tech, nerdy things, anime, manga, everything from video games to tech news. Anyways, welcome to the channel. Let's begin. All right, so right off the bat, we're looking at the front itself here, and we got the overclock edition, and yep, DLSS 4 ray tracing. You know it. I'm sure you guys. This has been out for some time now, and I am a little late to the party, but that's because I just recently heard that they're gonna pause on the 5000 series, on the 5 series, right? So I honestly I don't know what's going on, and I'm not gonna wait for the 6000 series. I don't know when that's coming out. So here we are today. I bit the bullet, and I'm joining the 5000 series crew. This card costed me with tax and everything like out the door around $1,400 at Best Buy. I don't regret it. I do a lot of gaming and I do a lot of video editing, so I know this is going to be my main workhorse. All right, anyways, let's begin. I just took the plastic out. Ooh, play hard. Go hard. Stay silent. I'm sorry, no wait. I'm sure someone's already made that joke many times. But anyways, all right. Ooh, ASMR. Anyways, let's see here. Whoa, look at this thing. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. No, but oh my gosh. This thing is huge. I know it's going to fit in my case, but just by looking at it, it just feels so monstrous. My other one, my RTX 4070, I should bring, you know what? I'm going to pause it real quick, and I'm going to bring it here so you guys can take a look at it. All right, so I'm back, and I just wanted to grab the RTX 4070. Ooh, I'm winded over there. Wow, I'm out of shape. But yeah, just look at this. This is the, hold on, I'm gonna put it right here. Like, this is the 4070 Super from Asus, and I mean, this is a beaut too. And but look at this. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Let's just put that over here. And anyways, let's begin. Oh, whoa. Oh, look at that. Whoa. Let's take this off. You know what? I'm so rude. Like, I'm going straight into it, but look at all these other things here. Okay. Anyways, who cares? Let's go back to the card. All right. And it feels like Christmas just opening this bad boy. It's like when you first get your GameCube. No, the Nintendo 64 and you go crazy. Anyways. Ooh. Look at that. Go ahead and just take the, what's the easiest way here? Oh, right there, I see it. Never mind. that's just the cool logo. Let's see here. Ooh. So nice. All right. Oh, I see it now. I see it now. So here's the back one. Ooh. That's nice. What do you guys put it on? I see there's a silent gaming option, and it's a switch. So when I'm gonna set it to gaming by default, because yeah, I mean, does it throttle? I need to research if it throttles a little bit if you put it into silent mode. But no, I'm all down for intense gaming. I am gonna overclock this bad boy. Ooh, look at that. And let's go ahead and take this off. Oops, I wasn't supposed to take it out like that. Let's do, Okay. I am a noob. I haven't opened these bad, like I don't generally open, you know, cards all the time, so here it is. Oof. Oh my gosh. Oh. Sticky. And I think, oh no, I see here too. And just make sure to get those all out. And there you go. It's got the GeForce RTX, MSI. I'll unplug these in a bit. Okay. Nothing wrong looking with the card. Everything looks good, clean. I like the build. Very sturdy. I'm gonna be happy. This is first impressions right off the bat. Beautiful. Huge. Huge. Look at this. Again. If you know, for in tech, size matters. I'm kidding now. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, I'm gonna hook this bad boy up and I'll tell you guys how it is. He is welcome. I mean not welcome. I'm flabbergasted. Thank you guys if you made it this far to the video. It's not a long one. It was a tiny unboxing, but here you go. You see it. Whew. It's clean. Ooh, mesmerizing. All right, anyways, thank you, friends. I'll see you in the next one. Okay, guys, so I lied. I just wanted to also just show you guys how it looked like installed, and yeah, it's a monster, as you can see. This is how it looks like from a little back here, from back here, and this is a big case, and it's so crazy that it's almost like look how much space is left for it, but definitely space for me to put something in front, like this cool looking Charizard just chilling over there. But yeah, this is how it looks like installed, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put the connections all there. Hold on, let me see if I can. I don't hear the click. Am I supposed to hear a click? Oh yeah, it is in there snug, and I can't pull it out, so yeah. All right, I'm gonna power this up, and I'll let you guys know. I'll do another video segment of it running. And yeah, beautiful card. And I think it matches the machine quite well.